is required because while giving the Talview exam, you will be live on that in the corner edge. So laptop camera is required. Guys, if you have already filled the Google form, then no need to fill it again. You must have attended the training session yesterday or today anytime. Guys, subject for mock test is just general questions will be there and you no need to answer it correctly. अगर आपने मतलब गलत भी आंसर से मार्क किया है तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, आपको बस कंप्लीट करना है टेस्ट. यू मस्ट हैव टू कंप्लीट द टेस्ट विद इन 30 मिनट्स ऑन बोथ द डिवाइसेस. Duration is 30 minutes for completing the test on both the devices. Once you complete the test, like for hardware test, once you complete the test, get the proof and you will get a Google form link. You have to upload there and update the details. And once you complete the mock test session 1, you get the details. You will get the leads in the Awake app. You have to upload there. Okay, so these two are different. For hardware test, you will get a Google form link. For mock test, you will get a lead in Awake app. Okay. Guys, timing is fixed. It's not flexible. Timing is fixed. If it is 11 a.m., you have to attend at 11 a.m. If it is 9:30, you have to attend at 9:30. Yes, you have to attend the test on both the devices, laptop and mobile. Okay, guys. So now coming to the stipend part, I'll show you the screen. So stipend part is you will get 80 rupees per session. Okay, so session refers to that is mock test session 1 is there. If you complete the session within 30 minutes on both the devices, you get the details, submit the lead in Awake app, you will get 80 rupees per session. Okay, and hardware test is not a session, it is just for the testing purpose that your device is compatible or not. Okay, so once you pass the hardware test, you will get the mail for mock test session 1. If you complete that mock test session 1, update the details in the lead, you will get 80 rupees per session. Okay, and disqualification criteria is simple. You need to attend all session assigned to you. Okay, so 80 rupees per session is simple. A session refers to attending all online session at a given slot to test the app on both your phone and the laptop. Okay, now if you have any issues, you can ask me. And do fill the attendance form. Yes, you have to attend one session refers to complete the session in both the devices within given time slot. That is 30 minutes. You have to complete the test on both the platform, both the devices. Yes, you will get the stipend and certificate both. Okay, guys. So you will get a mail from our side. Okay, by the end of today. Okay, so you will get a mail from our side. There will be one follow-up form or training document also what I showed you and some information. Okay, so just read it and be careful to fill the follow-up form as well. Okay, so I'll wrap this training session. Okay, so I guess I have answered all your doubts. Guys, once like on 19th May, you will fill the leads. Okay, and it will take one day to do the QC for us. We'll do the QC, and the next day you will get the stipend in your Avign wallet. You can withdraw it within 14 days. Okay, so once it shows, it will take 14 days to withdrawable in your bank account or in Paytm account, whatever. Uh, like I've already informed, 18th May is hardware test, 19th May is a mock test session one. For next sessions, we'll notify you. Okay, it will be notified beforehand only. You can withdraw the money from Avign wallet only. It's not mandatory to download Talview and Avigna app in your mobile in laptop. It's mandatory you should have download both the app in mobile phone. You have to download Talview and Avigna app both in your phone. These certificates will be mailed to you. You will get on mail. Okay, guys. So I'll wrap this session now, and you will get a mail from our side by today's end. You have to fill the follow-up form, and the training document will be attached there. Okay. Okay. Good luck. Bye bye.